Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Pull this trim piece off right here. We're going to use a trim piece tool. Pull like that, and then there's a little stud here. Pull that away. We're going to pull this crank off. Keep in mind where the position of the crank is. So you could make a little chalk mark right there if you wanted to, or just keep in mind where it goes. You're going to need a special crank tool. Get in behind here. And then you pull the crank out. This crank tool works like this. Slides in there and then pushes on that little spring. Pulls it apart. So you really need this window crank tool. Pull this little washer off. Next there's a little screw down here. It's a Torx screw. It's a T20, so we're going to use a T20 socket and an extension and a ratchet. Take that out. Pull that screw out. So we want to pull this piece off. You're just going to grab it with two hands, pull up. There's some clips that hold it in. You could, if you struggled with that, you could take a trim piece tool and pry underneath it. There's a Phillips head screw right here. So we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove it. Remove that screw. Now I'm going to go around the perimeter of the door panel with a trim tool to release the door pins. I like to start on the inside. That way, if anything messes up, it's not as evident. And with those all popped up, we can lift up on the door panel. Before we put our inner door panel on, some of the clips did not come out with the door, so we have this clip removal tool. We sell this at 1aauto.com. Just line it up right here and then squeeze. Door clips come right out. Install the clips back into the door panel. Now we're going to install the door panel. So once that's lined up, make sure you line the pins up and just bang the door panel back on. Make sure it's flush all the way around. We'll take this screw, Phillips head screw, install it there, tighten it down with our Phillips head screwdriver. Snug that down. Now we're going to install this piece. Just lines up. Hit it down. Next we'll install this T20 screw. Just line that up there, snug it down. Use my ratchet and my T20 Torx bit and extension. Snug it down. Next, we're going to install this window handle. You want to make sure you put this washer on first. It goes there. And then look to the lock. Make sure the lock for the handle is in this position. We're going to line it up how it came off. You generally want it in this position for when you're driving, so it's not down at your knee when the window is closed. So that's good. We can test that and it's working properly. Take our cover, slide it over, line it up with the holes, and lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.